Hello friends of the Instagram. I have another great craft for you and your child to partake in today. This craft idea came to me out of sheer inspiration. This is a picture that my little friend made for me with melted crayons. So what we are going to do is take this and make it our own. We're going to do it two ways. I got two ways to show you. First, the materials you'll need is, you can do it on a small canvas, or you can do it on a sturdier paper, or you could just do it on regular paper as well. So a place where you'll be creating this craft. Then we'll need the glue gun, obviously glue sticks, crayons, tape, and the blow dryer. Once you have all your materials, find a space where you can start your activity. So on canvas, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to glue some of the crayons down on the canvas. Okay. Now, obviously, parents, you'll be using the glue gun and gluing down the crayons where your child would like. Or if your kid is old enough, they can do it on their own as well. Good conversation and questions out of here is, what do you think is going to happen to the crayons? Also, you can ask your child, why do you think the crayons are going to melt? And then start off with, well, crayons are wax, and what else is wax? And candles are wax. So that shows you melting properties as well. All right, I'm just gonna do 3 for now to show you an example. Okay, so once they are glued down, turn on the blow dryer and just simply, you're gonna have to give it a minute or two. And then watch. Also, you can talk to your child, if I do it at this angle, what's going to happen? If I do it at the top angle, where do you think the markings of the crayons will go? So, lots of scientific explanation and experimenting can happen with this. Once you're done, you got yourself a cute little picture. Also, next step. Piece of paper for the second project. Take some tape and just tape it, just different lines onto the paper. Now, if your child is a little younger, this is great for their fine motor skills, the ripping of tape. You can also, if you're practicing with scissors, you can also start cutting the tape, another good way to experiment with fine motor skills. And what this is going to do is this is going to talk about space, positive and negative space. So I am going to grab 3 crayons, blow dryer, and again, give it a minute. And start melting. As you can see today, I am sporting my lovely headband that Jess and I made. That's also posted on a tutorial if you want to check it out. All right, we got some meltage going on here. Okay. Put that here. So that's what I got. We're gonna obviously wait for it to dry. And another question you can ask your child is, what do you think is gonna happen when I rip off the tape? And then they can answer from there and say, why do you think that? So, obviously I had to put on way more crayon and tape to see the difference. But as you can see, where we place the tape, there's no crayon. The more crayon you melt on here, the cooler the picture is going to look. So that's another quick craft idea for you to do. What's great is you could do this with all the broken crayons, all the little crayons, all the crayons that they don't use anymore. Or you can go out to the dollar store, using safety first, of course, and you can pick up a pack of crayons for $2. What you can also do is take all the little bits of crayons that you've been collecting. You can put them in muffin tins and you can melt them in the oven, creating a bigger crayon, a multicolored crayon for your child to explore and color with. All right, have fun with this craft. Post this in your videos. Stay safe.